this is 8.5 part 3. We're just going to finish off example 3 here. We're just in the process of finding x using our SOHCAHTOA, specifically the SO part here. We said the sine of 68 is the opposite over the hypotenuse, so x over 24.42 kilometers. So that means that x would be equal to, if I send this to the other side, it's a multiplication, so 24.42 times sine 68. And the reason that worked out, I'm just going to do the work on the side here, is because I multiplied everything by 24.42, both sides of it, times 24.42, brackets, 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 24.42, cross that out, and that's why that works out. So my x value in the end is going to be, let's hopefully this works out, 24.42 times sine 68 gives me 22.64 kilometers. Now let's go and double check if that worked out. So we had, first we had found this angle to be 57. Then we went and found side A over here. And then using side A, we decided to find x over here. I'm just verifying my work because my answer seems to be a little bit off. Let me just double check one more time here. So I found the reason that my answer is a little bit off here. It's actually right, but for some reason I put that my distance between the weather stations was 25 when here it says 20. So if you're doing the work with 25, this is the right answer. It's 22 point, so therefore, so let's make this 25 kilometers. Therefore, the altitude is 22.64 kilometers. So what I recommend you do is you now try the problem using the 20 kilometers. See if you get the right answer. The right answer you should get is in your solutions. You should get 18.1 kilometers. Try it out, see if you get the right answer following this work here. So, and I'll make a note of that in the link description just to let you know that I made a little error there. But all the steps are right. Just assume that I changed the question to 25 kilometers apart. What we've seen in this video is basically how to use our different trig tools to solve a variety of problems. Most of them require a knowledge and ability to draw diagrams using directions now. So if you do see direction style questions, which I've posted more on your Google platform, you should practice with the directions. Some are a bit challenging, but the more you do, the better you'll become at them. So that concludes chapter lesson 8.5. Do practice with the digital tools online, the Waterloo activities, and you'll just get better and better at it. You do have a lot of homework problems to do as well, so practice with those, and it should prepare you sufficiently for assessments and for understanding the overall concepts.